The PVC coil is securely fixed thanks to this smooth process. This machine makes the process of stamping molds onto tires easier. The wooden planks are straightened before proceeding to subsequent stages. Thousands of links are connected together in the blink of an eye. The Bauer piledriver is always rated as a reliable tin soldier for complex construction projects. Tire cutting is one of the first steps to begin the recycling process. Heat treatment is one of the important processes for ensuring the quality of gears. The insulating and elastic properties of polyethylene foam makes it a reliable partner in packaging goods. Decapping some old ram chips. No matter how thick the concrete layer is, this drill bit can still penetrate to the soil layer below. Creating a wire colander involves bending and weaving wires into a basket-like structure. To prevent fire and explosion due to train friction, coals need to be kept moist. Density can build a floating cow farm on the water. This is also a solution applied in areas where many storms and floods often occur every year to limit damage caused by storms and floods. Because simply when water floods the area, the farms that crawl on the ground will certainly suffer heavy damage, but the floating farm will help the cattle cope with that. Now in heat, drought, and even rising nighttime temperatures have pushed the food system in new directions that have caused losses of up to billions of dollars. Despite that, races to overcome the onslaught of extreme weather are still going on, and people are always researching and finding ways to cope with natural disasters. Building flood-proof floating farms is one of the practical solutions for future agriculture. When talking about volcanoes, we will certainly immediately think of images of mountains erupting with hot lava burning everything it passes through, including soil and rock. What remains is blackened layers of soil, but the indigenous people have not given up on farming, and now around the volcano has become a unique grape farm with brilliant green fields. Come explore with us now how people grow and cultivate grapes here. Plant a grape farm right next to a volcano. Looking at the black landscape around the volcanic area makes people only think of barrenness, and it seems like nothing can grow here. But miraculously vast vineyards are grown right here. It is the people who, using their own methods, have turned this barren land into green. Looking
at the black landscape around the volcanic area makes people only think of barrenness. It seems like nothing can grow here, but miraculously, vast vineyards are grown right here. It is the people who, using their own methods, have turned this barren land into green.
The Lanzarote Island area, Spain, people have discovered that the volcanic rock on the island is like a porous mulch, capable of absorbing moisture from the air and retaining it in the soil very well. Ash also acts as a type of insulator, keeping soil